everyone, today we're going to do a chakra clearing, and I'm going to show you my technique on my daughter Lauren, and you'll be able to see exactly how I do it, and you can work on yourself or others. You could do it standing up for yourself, and I'll show you my technique. So here we go. So first I'm going to call in my guides. Dear God, Jesus, Archangel Zoriel, Michael, Raphael, Gabriel, all our spirit guides and teachers, and all those of the light in Christ consciousness who wish to join us in this healing meditation, please will you come in. And now we just know that we're totally protected. We have white light all around us. And I'm going to show you with a visual. So I'm going to show you with a visual, which I don't use my crystal much anymore, but I'm going to show you an easy way to see whether the chakras are blocked or open. So you can use a pendulum, and you can put it in front of the chakra. So we're going to go to the crown chakra, and her crown chakra is kind of blocked, not moving. Her third eye is open, but it is moving. But it's sporadic and it's not correct. And throat chakra, she's got a lot of blockages. We haven't worked on her in a long time since the pandemic. And yeah, they're all blocked. Heart chakra, throat chakra, solar plexus. You can see how the pendulum's not moving. Spleen, and base chakra, so it's not really moving. And I also work on the knees. I see a lot of stuff get stuck in the knees and feet. The air conditioner is blowing now a little bit. So she's pretty much blocked up all over the place. So as you see, the pendulum's not really even moving. So we'll put our pendulum down for a minute. Now I'm going to show you. First, I'm going to pull the energy out through the different chakras. You can clear, I clear by pulling it out, and I let it go through my right hand. Some people may feel they have to do it the other way. Like when I was taught, my teacher had said I have to do it this way, but it didn't feel right to me, and so I do it the opposite. So I am the type of teacher that whatever you feel is good for you is good for you. Sorry, my bird is making a racket again. So now I'm going to use my energy, and I'm going to pull the energy out with my hand and let it go out. I visualize it going out through my right hand. So I'm going to be quiet now, and I'm going to start to tune into her energy and open up and clear the chakras, and then later on I'm going to balance them, and I'll show you how to do that. You can use your other hand to pull out the energy, whatever you feel is right. I'm also a Reiki master, so I do this before a Reiki session. Sometimes I have to just dig in there, just pull out all the stuff she's collected from work, from anywhere. We tend to hold energies in our chakras, and sometimes that's not needed. And so balancing your chakras will really help with healing, and you'll feel a lot more energized and better. And it also helps you become more receptive to meditation. Usually I'm quiet through this process, but because I'm trying to show you, I'm not as quiet. Okay, so now I pulled out the negative energy and the energy that I felt was unbalanced. Now I'm going to bring in and balance through bringing in the energy through my right hand, could be your left hand, whatever you feel. And now I'm going to feel her chakras open and balance them. And sometimes one will throw off another, so you might have to go back over it. You'll know. I feel a lot of energy now coming out of her head, really a lot. So whatever we just did has made her energy open a lot. Now I'm feeling a lot of energy coming out of the third eye. Throat's still a little blocked, but if you have issues with speaking your truth, or this also helps with clear audio, clairvoyance, throat chakras, communication. So heart chakra is still feeling a little blocked. If you have issues in the heart, or love, or closed off for any reason. Solar plexus. Yeah, she still has a lot of imbalance here in the torso, in the solar plexus and spleen chakra. And the base chakra is still a little blocked, so we're going to do a little more clearing now. I'm going to pull out a little more energy and keep balancing it. You can use your breath. When I was starting out, and even now sometimes I have to blow out the energy through my breath. As I'm putting in energy and clearing energy, I use my breath. But I'm a clear channel. You don't use your energy, you just be a clear channel and allow the light from God and the universe to help you balance. Starting to feel more energy now in these chakras. Sometimes when you're working on someone, they may feel you on both ends of their body, which people say they feel me in more than one place on their body, and that's because I'm etheric and we're all etheric and physical. So when I'm doing my healing work, I think I use all my body. So some people, if they're very sensitive, will feel me in more than one place at one time. Now I'm going to run the energy from her feet to the crown chakra, and I keep holding the energy here till I almost see like a pyramid at the top of the head. Then I'm going to bring the energy back down. Just going to keep balancing. I still hear my bird crying now. She wants to come here. So I'm sorry about that. Now, if you want to do a check and see where you're at, let's see the chakras now. So, she's still got a blockage here. Sometimes the chakras will be difficult. So we're going to find a blockage because she's definitely got a lot going on, and she's either fighting it, but now her crown chakra closed again. So something's throwing it off. So we're going to see what is it throwing it off. Could be in the hips. There's chakras all over our body, but hands. For her, I think it's her heart and her solar plexus. Base, throat. That's where she's having the issues. I'm going to try again. Relaxing, put love into it. Now I'm going to try that again. I feel the energy now at the top of her head. Now you'll see the energy is flowing up. Usually, years ago, they used to spin one way or the other. Lately, they've mostly been up and down. So now her crown chakra's open. Third eye's open. Throat's open, going back and forth. Heart's open. Solar plexus is open. You can see how it's up and down, more balanced. Spleen. Base. So she's now she's balanced and open. So now I'm going to work on the energy and smooth the energy out. So now we're going to pull the energy down and smooth it all out. I like to hold the energy and visualize it down. Then I'm going to leave her with the energy up. Now we have just one more smoothing, and then I usually have the person stand up when they feel comfortable. I have them stand up, and then I'm going to work on the front of her chakra. So now you can see, now it's basically blowing up there. You can see her chakras are open now. They're all facing, and they're facing up and down. They're balanced. Even her knees. Hands. So she's pretty much balanced. So now we're going to have her stand up when she's ready. And you can bring your feet to the side of the table. And then we'll move the table back and we'll work on. So now you're going to have the person stand here in front of you. And what you're going to do is you're going to take the energy and smooth it down. And then you're going to balance it from this side. So I take my hand, one in the front, one in the back, on both sides of the chakra. And you're just going to feel the energy come through on both sides, feeling that it's balanced. Bringing it up. Sometimes they want to blow out. And I usually bring it all the way up. And I leave it in an opening, like almost like a cone. And I'm going to go down around the whole body. And then I go down the whole body, almost like you're praying over the person, which is very helpful. And then I just, one more time, feel the energy, and I pull it all the way up. And then leave them grounded, but connected to God and all that is. So thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Lauren, for... How do you feel, Lauren?
I feel so much better. Way more open, relaxed, clear, much better.
More balanced.
More balanced.
Very good. So thanks for watching the video, and we hope you learned how to do some chakra clearing here. And this is part 1, and then I have another video, which is part 2, which is already out for a while, and that's a chakra meditation. And then we're going to go into a little bit more involved later on into the chakras and their meaning and all of that. But I will post my little sheet of chakras that I have, that I use, that I've created, and whatever color chakras you see is all okay. Not everybody sees the colors the same. So just know, use your intuition for however you want to do this chakra balancing, and have fun with it. And just know that it's going to work, and it's going to help you feel better in many areas, including speaking your truth and opening your heart and feeling more balanced and clear. So I wish you love, light, and energy. Blessings.